Hi, this is Prasad Dasari. I am the founder and CEO of Wealth Tree Group. Ours is a research firm from last 2 decades in the stock markets. So first of all, everybody wants to be successful in stock markets business. First of all, people don't understand it's a serious business. So that is the reason they fail to make money in stock markets, most of the people. Why it is happening? I will ask you a simple question. Any business, everybody can be successful? I don't think so. Some people are not successful in their business, and some people drop from the business because they are not successful, isn't it? Stock markets is also something like that. Don't think that everybody can be successful in this business. So to become a successful businessman, you need to acquire some qualities and also you need to develop some skills, isn't it? So today what we are going to do is let us assess whether our qualities, whether we are suitable for the stock markets business or not. So let's rate our qualities basically between 1 and 10. So I'm going to list out some of the attributes that you need to think whether and genuinely rate yourself, and if your score is above 50, we are going to list out some 10 points. So if your score is above 50, yes, certainly you can be successful in stock markets. Otherwise, you need to first of all work on those qualities which is required for to become successful in stock markets. So let us talk about one by one. The first quality is risk tolerance. So are you able to take risk? Coping up with loss is the biggest quality that is required in the stock markets. People don't understand. They want only profits, but markets will give you loss also. If you don't have that risk tolerance with you, then certainly it's a problem. And second thing is emotional balance, which is very, very important. You become panic when market falls. You become greedy when markets are going up. So obviously this kind of emotional volatility can actually lead you to make a lot of mistakes. So obviously you need to have emotional balance. That is the second quality. Then another one is patience. So Warren Buffett said that actually stock markets is a business of transferring money from inpatient to patient. That means if you don't have patience and you exit markets early or you become panic and exit early, so this is the problem, and you need to be patient if you want to be successful in stock markets. And then one more important thing is learning mindset. So if you are not learning, you are not going to earn. So obviously you need to learn all the skills which are required, maybe fundamental and technical analysis, to become successful in stock markets. And another important thing is decision making. So you need to be a quick decision maker. So something is not happening as you expected. You should not wait and make your loss more and more. So you have to exit and then take the right decisions at the right time quickly. That is the most important quality you need to inculcate. Then next thing is resilience. When markets are volatile and then markets are doing against you, you should be resilient enough to withstand in the markets, still try to be persistent and achieve your goals. And if you don't have this quality, certainly you may end up quitting the stock markets. And another very important attribute is adaptability. So market will not do whatever you want. It does what it does. So it is something happening which is not expected by you. If you are not adapting to the market move, then it's a biggest problem. You need to adapt to the change of the market conditions fast so that you can be successful in the stock markets. And the most important other thing is stress management. Markets always will give you some stress. So you need to come out of the stress faster and then again work yourself in the markets. That is most important. And then being responsible, that is the another very, very important aspect of the market. Don't blame others or don't blame the market for your losses. Take responsibility and correct yourself. And this attribute is also very, very important for you to become successful in stock markets. One more quality is long-term thinking. If you are thinking very short and want to make profits very quick in the stock markets, obviously you may not achieve it and you exit the stock markets quickly. The point is that stock markets is a business and then you have to do it for longer time. One day loss and one day profit is common. like any other business. So you have to first of all think long term to sustain and consistently make money in stock markets. So the quality of long term thinking is also very important. Now we have listed out 10 points where you rate yourself between 1 to 10, and out of 100, if you're getting more than 50, you are fit for stock markets. Otherwise, you need to work on yourself first before entering into the stock markets business. So thank you very much. All the best. Please contact us for any kind of research support or guidance in the stock markets. Thank you.